In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create batch payments in Xero. So let's get started. First, you need to log into your Xero accounting software account. Head over to the Xero website and click on the login button you see in the top right corner of your screen. Once you've clicked it, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you've got your login details ready and type them in carefully to avoid any errors. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is your hub for managing all things accounting related, and from here we'll take the next steps to create those batch payments. On the menu, look for a section labelled Business. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find an option called Bills to Pay. Click it and this will take you to a page with an overview of all the bills that need your attention. Now what we're interested in is the section marked Awaiting Payment. Click on Awaiting Payment. You'll see a list of all the bills that are queued up and ready for payment. Here's where you can select the bills you want to include in your batch payment. So go ahead and tick those checkboxes next to the bills you need to pay. Once you've selected all your bills, you'll notice a button labelled Make Payment. Click on this and it will lead you to another screen where you can process multiple bills at once. Here you'll see the option to select Batch Payment. Make sure you click this if it's what you intend to do. After clicking on Batch Payment, you'll need to hit the Continue button to proceed further. Now you're at the crucial stage of setting up your payment. You'll need to select a payment date. This is the date when you intend for these transactions to be processed. Next, you need to choose the bank account from which these payments will be made. Xero will usually present a list of your linked bank accounts, so pick the right one after confirming the details. Now, after making sure everything is in place, dates set, the right bank account selected, and the correct bills chosen, you're ready for the final step, executing the payment. Go ahead and click on the Make Payments button. Congratulations, you've successfully created a batch payment in Xero. This method saves you heaps of time and helps streamline your accounting processes, making it a valuable tool for managing your finances efficiently. Thank you for tuning in and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips on using Xero and other accounting processes.